Hi, this is the second video on how to use your custom domain with Boost. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your custom domain as an agency portal so that your clients can log in. In the previous video, I talked about how to set up your custom domain for creating opt-in URLs. So if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and set up your custom domain so that you have a working custom domain for creating opt-in URLs with Boost. So I assume that you have already watched the previous video and have your custom domain working for opt-in URLs. Now let's create an agency portal for your clients to log in. So to specify your agency portal very easily, you can go to custom domain settings again and click on edit if you already have a custom domain. And now you can set your agency portal to be any subdomain of your domain name right here. So in this case, I set up to be login.bstl.inc. You can set up to be anything, for example, portal.bstl.inc. In this case, I'm gonna leave it as login right here and click on Save Changes. The next step will depend on how you set up your custom domain in the previous video. So if you have set up your custom domain in Cloudflare, go back to Cloudflare and add an extra CNAME for your login domain with the value of my.boost.link. Similarly, if you have set up your CNAME in your registrar or hosting, go back to your registrar or hosting and add another CNAME with the value of my.boost.link. Remember that if you set up your CNAME via your registrar or your hosting, you need to set up an SSL certificate for both your root domain and your login domain. So now that you already set up a login domain by pointing it via CNAME with the value of my.boost.link, now it's time to set up the login portal for your client. First of all, let's take a look at some agency settings that you can use to white label Boost application for your clients. So let's go to the agency menu right here and create a new client account. So when create a new client account, you can assign the domain to the client that you are creating. So you can assign multiple domains right here. So the assign domain feature is for allowing your clients to use the domains that you already set up, and your clients will not see Boost.link domain if you assign a custom domain to the client account. So in this case, if I assign this custom domain to this client account, when the client logs in, he will only see this custom domain and he will not see the Boost.link domain. Another feature that we're working on to allow you to white label Boost application is to allow you to assign the custom apps that you set for your agency account to your clients. So this feature is in progress, and when this feature comes out, your clients will be able to use your apps that you already set up for them without having to create their own apps. Now let me show you how to customize your agency portal appearance. So in the agency menu right here, there are two options that you can use to customize your agency portal experience. So let's say that you have multiple login domains for your agency. You can use the default agency settings here to customize the appearance for all your login domains at once. So I've already changed some of the settings for my default agency login portal appearance right here. And when I go to my login domain, I can see that the logo of Boost has changed to my agency logo right here, as well as the name, the title of the page right here. And when the client logs in, the client will be able to see your own support link, your own tutorial link, as well as your own embed codes. For example, your own live chat or support contact form. Now I will log in as a client of my agency to show you what it looks like inside. As you can see, the dashboard is clear of Boost branding, and your client can only see the domain name that has been assigned to that client account. In case that you want to customize the portal appearance for each domain that you own, you can go to Customize Domain Settings right here and add specific settings for your specific domain. So this is great if you want to customize the login portal for specific clients. So I hope this video has helped you understand how the custom domain works with agency white label features of Boost. All the necessary links will be put in the text description below.